Hello everyone, this is Robert at Homecraft. I'm here at our newest listing in Howell. This one is special. This is a 2-bedroom ranch home, completely updated. I'm standing on the front porch right now looking out at the All Sports Lake Chemung. We're also steps away from the private community boat launch area. This is special. Come on, let's check it out. Hopefully you enjoyed the tour of this ranch home with views of Lake Chemung. If you have any questions about this property or the lake community, don't hesitate to reach out to me or my team. 734-329-0123, or you can email us at sold@homecraftteam.com. Thanks and have a good one.